So, I'm back here again. I wanted to build some sort of a center console. Basically just a cup holder for the 52. But basically what I'm thinking, inch, we'll put 2 dimple dies here. This thing will come up about an inch or so, and then we're going to do a 3-inch roll. So the thing will kind of come up. I'm hoping to be about an inch off of here, and we'll fasten it here and here. Basically come up like this right here. And we'll step this up with another piece with 2 holes here. So we have some sort of a drink holder. At least that's kind of the plan. I don't know if it's going to work. I've got a picture one I seen online, kind of a vintage looking style center console, but I thought, you know what? For 250 bucks, I think I can make one way cooler. And plus, maybe I can get it to help match inside the bed with a bunch of bead rolling. Let's see if we can at least get the bottom part of it knocked out. It's aluminum, but it's got kind of a weird gold color to it. So I'm thinking that might be pretty cool. So let's get this over there and get set up. I think that I want to do something like this. I made that, but it's a little too small. So I think I'm going to come out about another inch wider, and that should give me enough room to put a coffee cup in there. And I'll probably have to, I want to put this on the bead roller, roll this, and then come up and then kind of do that. So it's got a bead roll there. Maybe something here. And I want another piece to come out and come up with this bent in. Basically what I was looking to do is also not only put a cup in there, but also I don't like sitting on my wallet, so then I can stash my wallet in there. So I need something that comes out here. So I don't know yet, but that's kind of the plan. So I'm gonna see if I can make it happen. Bead rolled out with the Jamie Jordan's art roll set. Basically drilled a hole in the table, put a bolt in there, drilled this, let this thing spin around. Don't have enough room to really do like a real tight bead roll, but the next step would be to bend this side in and then this side in, so it's kind of a C, and then we'll have to come back and cut these out. I'm not sure I want to cut these out first or cut these out later, but that's kind of the plan for right now. I'll have time to get that guy here, so I'll finish this up tomorrow. Alright, so we got this little center console pretty well finished up. I need to finish out the carpet in my truck before I put it in there. But basically we're going to put like a thread insert or a threaded nut in the floor, and then basically kind of, I think these are like a number 10. We can run a number 10 screw down there and hold this to the center hump in our truck. The other thing was I've got this. I kind of left this open in case I spill anything in there that I can easily clean it up. And then I'm going to sit it like that, so then this would be my cell phone and maybe like my wallet holder. Basically I can put my billfold in there. And then I'm also thinking that I might come back and make something here. Basically rivet another piece of this maybe in here, just to try to keep things from sliding around. Like if I have my cell phone and my cell phone or something with me, basically the cell phone would fit in there, but it would probably fall out if I'm going around a corner too fast or something. So was kind of that idea on that. And then also I don't have a cup handy. I usually carry my coffee cup, but it's about the same thickness as this here, so you get like a little bit bigger cup in there, like if I had a soft drink from a fast food restaurant or something along those lines. It's just something that would keep it from falling over. But yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the little center console goes. So I'll work on getting this into the truck, but like I said, we need to finish the carpet. It'll give you kind of an idea what I was thinking and what we came up with. So that's kind of about as far as I made it today. I'm going to go ahead and run this. I'll probably run it like this for a little while. Maybe down the road we'll put that ends on it. Who knows? Show you guys that video and then how I made it. And yeah, if you like these videos, this type of stuff, give me a like, a subscribe, and remember, get there and create something today, even if it sucks.